The Food Service Exchange presents.
My name is Rennie Koymans and I've been in the restaurant business for about 25 years now. We barbecue outside quite frequently at my house, but here at the restaurant I've used the tailgater for various charitable functions. Every July there is a Fire Fit Challenge that comes to Brantford. It's a national competition for the firemen, and we serve about 3,000 hamburgers and hot dogs in the course of about 3 hours. And I find the Crown Verity is excellent. It's great having the tailgater. It's just amazing how many hamburgers I can cook in 1 hour. What I like about it is that you can go from 4 burners to 10 burners, individual heat, indirect heat. It's very portable. It gets hot very, very fast. It's easy to clean. It doesn't flare up because of the water in the pan below. Because of the high quality workmanship and the stainless steel components, or the entire barbecue stainless steel, it's easy to clean. It'll last a long time. My personal barbecue is a Crown Verity. I love it. I use it every day, even during the winter. I really love to show it off. It's almost like a BMW. I've had it for 10 years now and it looks like brand new. Whenever I do call on the company, it's a very professional company. It's almost like a family operated company. Their arms are open for any kind of suggestions, anything that they have to talk about. You may end up buying 3 barbecues of someone else's brand versus one of the Crown Verity. You'll be passing this down for generations.